Hey, my name is Eli Martinez. I'm a wildlife guide and photographer for SDM Adventures, and we are on our Baja expedition in search of orcas. This is day 5. Super excited about our day yesterday. We had orca sightings. They're very shy, but right now, headed to the boat, and we're gonna go see what we can find today. Hopefully we're gonna find something cool. Hopefully I'll have a really great story to tell you today, but the day begins. Can't wait. Was a absolutely epic day, man. This is the shit that this is the stuff that dreams are made of, man. So spent all day with a pod of orcas. We were following them. They were just giving us amazing passes. We were hanging out with them. It was just so beautiful. I mean, it was just amazing. I mean, it was just us and the orcas. And then at the end of the day, we gave them a break, and when we gave them a break, they killed a Mola Mola. And then so we got to watch them feeding on a Mola Mola. It was just amazing. This is the stuff I've been dreaming about forever, of watching a predation, of being in the water with the orcas while they have the predations going on, and the feeding event. The orcas were around the Mola. They were just hanging out, they were feeding, they were swimming slow. We got a lot of great passes, a lot of opportunities to photograph them. It was just mind-blowing stuff. So winding down the day, it was one hell of a show, and I'm just super happy that I got to be here, super happy that these guys got to see it. And this is day 5. We still got one more day, man. Just one more day. Can't wait.